for watching. Bostitch nail gun versus a ridgid, and the ridgid one I just picked up right now. I actually got it on eBay for $53, shipped to my door. Looks like it's been used for about 5 hours. This is my old Bostitch. The only reason I would replace this thing, and I was pretty happy with it, until I was shooting a nail, and the nail, which you could see there's a track right here where the nail is supposed to shoot out right in the center, went on the side and was jammed up. So then I flipped it over, and I bought this thing used from somebody at my store, and I went to unscrew the head so I can do it. And look at that, one of the heads was just eating away on the Allen wrench to unscrew it. That sucked because it took me about 45 minutes after unscrewing two sides, prying it with a screwdriver. Anyways, it was about 45 minutes of my time. I said, I'm just getting a new gun. You're gonna see what the new gun does. You could just flip a switch and open it, and the whole track can be cleaned and ejected, and the nail could have been taken out in literally 5 seconds. Okay, so that is definitely an upgrade on the new gun. This push button and slide down, and it holds multiple sizes of nails. Okay, so you can go all the way from, got it upside down for you guys there, it's 5/8 to 2 inches. So 5 inch, 18 gauge. Make sure if you have an 18 gauge for you beginners that you don't buy a 16 gauge nails when you go to pick up your nails and start shooting nails. It's not gonna fit in here to shoot it. So if you got an 18 gauge, stick with 18. This one had a nice rubber grip. Trigger was nice and sensitive. When I bought it, it was missing the plastic tip. You'll see some have a plastic tip, some don't. That's because they fell off, and that causes it so it doesn't damage your wood when you go to push in, and you'll get a dent from that, and you'll get the hole from your nail. So you could avoid that if you have your plastic tip. The new gun comes with 2 plastic extra tips on the side right here. You'll see when I go to show you that. Other than that, I was happy with that. Also, I had to put about 3 drops of oil every so often, maybe every 2 or 3 uses. And the new gun is oil free, good for about, I think they said 200 to 400,000 nails, and I'll never have to worry about it again. So if you do this for a living, you might go through a gun once every 2 years, I'd say. Okay, over here you got a swivel where your air shoots out. Sometimes it shoots in your face, and you got to turn it like that so it shoots that way or out of your way. So it was able to get out of your way. Other than that, I was pretty happy with the gun before the jam. That's it for the Bostitch. That's about everything you need to know about this thing. They do make newer ones. This is an older model, and they've upgraded them a little bit. For the Bostitch, that's about everything you need to know about this thing. They do make newer ones. This is an older model, and they've upgraded them a little bit to probably act as if they're competing with the ridgid. Guys who do have to put oil in your guns or tools, they do sell this. This was $1.69 at the hardware store. So 4-ounce bottle of oil if you need it. I'm actually going to return it because my new gun doesn't. So here's the 2 extra tips I talked about. It comes with the one where you push this and then pull the trigger, and then also it feels a lot heavier. It's got a little clip here for your side. I don't know why, unless you had like a 20-foot hose where you wanted it to attach, but slide is see-through. That's nice. You could always see if you're like running out of nails or not. Just a little bit better quality, heavier. Here's your gauge to turn your wheel. When you turn that wheel this way or that way, there's actually a little chart there, which I can't really show you because you can't see it. Okay, so there's a little gauge meter there. If you could see it, one is shorter, one is lower, and it actually tells you if you turn it up this way, it'll go deeper, and this way it will go less. Then you got 3 little hammers here and 1 hammer here. You could push your finger on this. When you push it, it comes out, and you swivel it over, and that will give it that striking force. You got a swivel nipple here where your nipple swivels, and that's your shaft for locking. Little button here tells you it's 18 gauge. Pretty much that's it. Basic thing. And over here on the bottom it says oil free, 120 psi, which that's what I got it hooked to right now. We're just gonna test it out and fire this thing. There you go. Shot right through, perfect. It's embedded exactly where I want it, and that's where I have it set to go in about that little 1/4 inch. So nice tool on the other hand. And for the Bostitch, we're gonna go get a shovel and bury it into the ground. When you set it on this 3 hammer, it'll shoot 3 nails in a row, continuous. There you go. I don't know who would ever use that, but it does it. Hopefully this video helps you out in choosing which one you want to buy, Bostitch or Ridgid. There's a lot of other brands out there. These are some pretty decent ones, either one you choose. This is an older model, and I'm sure their newer models work a lot better. But thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.